Do you have time for a random question?
Sure.
Cool. Take a rest at the top of the stairs?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm wondering if you have an opinion on what you think the most valuable thing is on any website.
Probably reviews of some sort.
Reviews.
Yeah.
I believe that a video testimonial is the most valuable thing on any website because it really does reduce that risk from... Here's an example. You're going to buy a house and you went to the realtor's website. Before you were able to go with that realtor, what would you need to see on the website? Evidence. Yes. Stack of money, you're about to hand it over. You want to make sure you're going to make a good decision.
Reviews?
Reviews. After you go to the website and you're about to make a decision about, buying the product that's on the website, what information do you need before you're able to make that decision?
Customer reviews.
Customer review. Sure, so have you ever given a video testimonial?
Is that from right now?
Correct.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, so if you wouldn't mind giving a video testimonial for those boots. Those boots look really great. And I've got this little 3-step formula right here that helps anyone to give a great 1-minute testimonial. I'll have you take a look at that. Thanks for being a good sport, by the way.
Sure.
Really appreciate it.
Okay.
So, got it?
Sure.
Okay, so go ahead and take that and go ahead.
Okay. My boots, which are part of an extremely stylish outfit that I'm wearing right now. These are North Face boots, I think, and I love them. I was looking for boots that were comfortable, didn't pinch the back of my heels, and were warm and fully waterproof. And these fit the bill on them for a season, and they're comfortable to walk in, waterproof, keep feet warm in the cold. And so I encourage everybody also in the market for warm boots to buy these boots from North Face.
That was awesome. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Janine.
Janine. Thanks, Janine, for being such a great sport. My name's Anthony Prichard, and I train business owners how to collect video testimonials. 99% of business owners today just don't have a video testimonial on their website, and it's very powerful. In fact, I believe it is the most valuable thing on any website because of its ability to truthfully and honestly communicate the value of something. I mean, you could tell Janine really loved those boots, and it would be worth every single penny that she spent on those boots to own those boots. And she believes the same to be true for anybody else that's looking for warm boots. So that's just more evidence for you that video testimonials are truly something that more businesses need to place more attention towards collecting. And that's how easy it is. It is literally that easy to collect a video testimonial. The first person I asked to speak with me on camera said yeah, and it took me a total of 5 minutes. So I hope that helps you and gives you more information that it is not a big thing to go out in public and collect video from random people. The number one way to collect more video testimonials is to give more video testimonials for business owners that you know. It might sound completely backwards, but it's the most valuable free thing that you can give any business owner. And if they reciprocate and they give one for you, then you'll have that video testimonial that you're looking for. Hi, my name's Anthony Prichard. I'm here at Elder Auto. I just got my car repaired and figured I'd make this video testimonial. I've been coming here for 15 years and I've always been given excellent customer service. I really appreciate having a mechanic that is knowledgeable on either foreign or domestic vehicles, and just no matter what my issues are, I can come here and I know I can get the problem fixed, and I can get in and out right away, and I can get straightforward, honest advice about what I should do with this piece of equipment that always needs a little extra work. Thanks.